On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to see through your walls using your smartphone. So stay tuned. Welcome to Fix This House. If you're new to the channel, please consider pressing the subscribe and notification bell so you can always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews that I do within this channel. Today's episode, we're going to be going over the product Wallabot. Now, I know I did a video on this earlier. This is actually part 2. The other one's going to be going away because this is going to be a revision. I know I did some things on that video on the Wallabot that I didn't fully complete. So by doing that, I'm going to be redoing that video with this part 2. So with that being said, on the first video, I mentioned that I was going to announce a winner for that video. So I'm not going to break my promise. I am true to my word. And the winner for that one is JS. Okay, so JS right here, he's the one who is the winner for that Wallabot giveaway. Congratulations, JS. You are going to be receiving a brand new Wallabot DIY too. But don't fret. To make up for this part 2 video for my other video that I created, I will be giving out the same exact one that I'll be using for today's video to another winner. So make sure that you comment down below and let me know what you think, because I will be picking a winner from the comment section down below for another chance for you friends to win yourself this Wallabot. So this Wallabot right here is priced at $160, and you will need your smartphone as well to make them work. Now, what's great about this DIY 2 version 2 is that you don't need a wire for them to be connected together to able to work. They are Bluetooth capability, so you can have one, tracing while you're looking at your iPhone or your Android phone at the same time. So with that being said, let me show you the mock-up that we're going to be testing it out today. So if you haven't seen the first video that I made concerning this product, I am using the same exact mock-up. Let's start off first with this PVC pipe. Let's just say this is some sort of drainage from your sink and it's located inside your wall. I am using a 14 gauge wire instead of that 12 gauge from last time. It should pretty much be the same. I am using a copper pipe and a metal pipe. So to prove to you that it's metal, I'm using a magnet like so. So what I'm doing different this time with this PVC pipe, remember in the last video, it didn't show up on our detection. It's because this has to be filled with water. In real life, PVC piping like this are actually filled with water. So I'm gonna go and fill this up right now for you friends. There we go. All right. Before you start using the product, make sure you download the Wallabot app. Let's open it up and launch it. And let's turn it on. And we're going to sync it together. Okay, and it should turn blue. So this is very important. Any time that you place this onto a new wall or a new area, you always have to calibrate it. Start calibration, and then you're just going to move this in a circular motion like this. We're going to go with image and start scan. It's picking up the stud. It is picking up that wire and it's going horizontal. And you can see that you can trace it where that wire is going to, right there. If you look up there, there's 2 pipes there and it's reading it right where they are. Perfect. Okay, let's keep scanning. Oh, there's a stud here. And now let's see if it's picking up that PVC pipe. Oh, it is picking up the PVC pipe now because there is now water. Let's recalibrate. So it did detect that PVC pipe right there. The key thing is you always want to have to recalibrate on certain areas if you're unsure, and it will definitely show up. So it looks like it detected everything. PVC pipe, copper, metal, filled PVC with water. And then you have that line that it also traced. Okay, so what if you want to test it out and try to find some floor joist, or if there's wiring or piping on the floor? Let's see if it works. This is a 1/2 inch OSB board. First, we have to recalibrate. What I'm going to do is I'm going to place this wooden stud right here. Okay, we're going to restart our calibration. Okay, there we go. And then we're going to run it across. There you have it. It does pick up the wooden stud like what you see there. If we pass it, boom, it does pick it up. So that's pretty awesome. Let's try if it'll pick up some pipe. Got a piece of pipe right here. I'm gonna place it just right around here. And now we're gonna go again, recalibrate, start calibration. Okay, and there we're gonna go, roll it around some more. It detected us as a pipe and wire. So that's good, that passed. Now let's see if it'll detect some wire. Let's put some wire underneath here. Recalibrating on this. If we go right here, it picked up that wire. So here's another test that I wanna do. Since it does detect vertical studs, I wanna see if it detects horizontal studs as well. So let's try that out. And it's still reading as vertical on the screen, but at least it's detecting that there is a stud there. No matter how much you flip it right here, it looks like it's detecting it as a vertical stud. So let's just say you want to detect pest movement. If there's a rodent behind your wall and you feel like there's something behind there, let's go now to expert mode. Turn it into the expert mode, which is on the right side right there, but you still have to calibrate it. Okay, so take your Wallabot and press that calibrate, because it's going to be a new surface. All right, let's start the calibration. Now let's pretend that my hands is a little creature behind there, a pest. Let's see if it'll detect it. So there you go. So it looks like it's detecting some sort of object in there. So if I take out my hand, it disappears. But if you put my hand there, it's moving around. Okay. To detect pests, you have to go to expert mode. Let's take this and let's go inside and test it out on my real wall without using the mock-up. I do have this open wall right here. Got my security system on my left, an outlet right there. We're gonna scan here what we find. Reading the stud where our security system is. Oh, and then it's reading that wire, or I'm guessing it's a wire, I'm assuming, for the wiring for where this security system is, or it's connected down to that outlet on the bottom. Okay. It's reading a stud right there. It's reading another stud. Stud. So let me go look around here by where my coat hangers are at, where my little coat hanger is. There's a bunch of switches here. So I'm gonna go and test out if we can find any wires around here. So it's saying there's a stud here. So far it's not reading any wire. Didn't detect any electrical around this area. Let's go try another switch. So there's a stud right there. Stud. Oh, right there. So there was a glitch of a cable. Right there. So there is a pipe or wire right on this area. So friends, that pretty much concludes the results of the test of the Wallabot DIY2. In my honest opinion, it did really well. It detected the stud, the piping. Now that we had the PVC filled with water, it finally detected that PVC compared to the first video that I made. But also it detected the wire, and it detected movement from my hand if we compared it to like a creature behind your wall or whatnot. So friends, and let me know in the comment section below what you thought of this product. This is their brand newest model for Wallabot. This is the DIY2. And make sure you leave the comment section down below what you thought of this product, because I will be giving the same exact product away. And again, congratulations JS right here. Congratulations, you won the very first brand new one of the DIY Wallabout 2. So also Wallabout DIY 2 is their newest one that they came out with. It is compatible with iPhone and Android. And if you want to know more about Wallabout and other products, check out the link down below. I'll leave that for you friends to check out. And if you found this video helpful, please hit that big thumbs up, press the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll see you friends on the next product review and then more DIYs and how-to videos. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.